Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arkan Hauzan, and today I'm gonna interview my friends. His name is
Muhammad Tazkiyat Al-Haytham.
okay. The title is COVID-19. Okay, I'm gonna ask you 10 questions about COVID-19. This is the first question. What is coronavirus in your opinion?
Menurut saya coronavirus itu virus yang datang dari Cina yang diakibatkan karena keteledoran seseorang atau suatu organisasi. Terus itu tuh ada banyak macamnya, dan yang terakhir ini jenisnya Omicron, dan itu walaupun sudah vaksinisasi itu tetap bisa terkena, tapi tidak parah.
Okay. The next question is, what should we do if we don't want to get a coronavirus in our bodies?
Supaya nggak kena coronavirus itu kita harus mengikuti protokol kayak pakai masker, terus jaga jarak, dan masih banyak lagi. Pakai hand sanitizer, oke. Thank you.
Oh, okay. The next question is, do you think this coronavirus is very dangerous?
Sebenarnya di tengah-tengah aja. Kalau kita terlalu menganggapnya bahaya, tapi jangan terlalu dianggap terlalu bahaya, nanti malah kita gampang tertular sendiri. Jadi menurut saya ini di tengah-tengah lah, tapi tetap jaga jarak, pakai protokol gitu.
Okay. The next question, in your opinion, who is vulnerable to coronavirus? Children or the elderly, and why?
Sebenarnya yang nggak anak-anak atau orang tua, yang pastinya yang punya imun tubuhnya yang lemah itu yang gampang tertular. Tapi kalau orang tua ada rentang usianya, misalnya sudah kayak nenek-nenek, kakek-kakek, itu sudah pasti gampang terkena corona.
Okay. Next question, what is social distancing in your opinion?
Social distancing itu jaga jarak, misalnya jaga jarak dari teman, misalnya itu supaya kita nggak tertular virus corona sekitar 1-2 meter lah.
Okay. Do you think social distancing is needed in social life?
Kalau untuk masa pandemi seperti ini menurut saya sangat penting supaya wabahnya nggak terus menjalar kemana-mana dan cepat berhenti.
Okay. Next question. Why mask is used for defending yourself from coronavirus?
Setahu saya, menurut penelitian, kalau orang pakai masker itu persentase untuk tertular itu semakin menurun. Seandainya yang sudah kena dan orang yang belum kena itu sama-sama pakai masker, itu cuma beberapa persen aja kemungkinan bakal tertular.
Okay. Next question. Is it true that if you are vaccinated, you are immune to coronavirus?
Enggak, sebenarnya enggak imun, tapi lebih ke menurunkan presentasenya aja buat terkena gitu, buat kita sakit terkena coronavirus gitu. Sebenarnya masih bisa, tapi dikit aja.
Okay. Next question. Why do we need sanitize our hand?
Mengapa kita perlu hand sanitizer gitu kan? Supaya kayak kotoran yang menempel atau ada kayak virusnya yang nempel di tangan sudah dibersihkan pakai hand sanitizer tadi.
Okay. Last question. Why do we still need to wash or sanitize our hands even we already vaccinated?
Mengapa tetap harus mencuci tangan? Jadi seandainya sudah vaksin kan turun presentasenya itu buat kena. Nah, seandainya kita mengikuti protokol lagi, itu tuh makin rendah lagi kenanya kita. Jadi semakin bisa terhindar lah dari virus corona.
Okay. Thank you for your participation in this questioning. Okay. See you next time. Goodbye. Okay, so for that interview, I've got the conclusion about it that COVID-19 is a virus that came from Chinese. Coronavirus is still be aware, even if you think that it's not dangerous. This virus didn't matter anyone. They attack people that are low at immunity. We do some protocol to evade ourselves from coronaviruses, such as wash our hands, sanitize our hand, doing a social distancing, and vaccinated. Social distancing is making a distance with other people. Well, social distancing is surely needed in this pandemic because it's used for stopping the contagious. We should use our mask to lower the percentage of get the coronavirus in our body, and we still need to wash our hand even if we vaccinated because it will remove the viruses from your hand with it. Well, I've got my own opinion from the interview. I completely agree with all the answers that have been given. Well, coronavirus is not a dangerous virus, but it's worth being aware of. And we need to follow every protocol that has been ordered to avoid and reduce the coronavirus. And I've got the conclusion for the topic that coronavirus is a virus that attacks respiratory system and it has a negative impact on health, accompanied by mild or severe symptoms. This virus is an unpredictable disease. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 are classified as a severe acute respiratory syndrome, causing pneumonia, kidney failure, and the most fatal results in death, while the mild symptoms are fever, sneezing, sore throat, and so on. Well, I've got my advice for the interview. Well, is for everyone to continue to comply with every protocol ordered by the government for us, namely the community, to avoid COVID-19 and reduce COVID-19 sufferers so that our country, Indonesia, is free from COVID-19. Well, that's all for me. See you later. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.